Hey, what's up? I'm Cody the Coin Raptor, and I'm here to bring you the latest Bitcoin news, including what Mark Cuban has said about the price. But before we get to that, be sure to smash that subscribe button to see my latest content and hit that thumbs up button if you like this content and would like to see more. So first, I want to talk about ASIC prices. Bitcoin application-specific integrated circuit miners are the most efficient and widely used device to mine Bitcoin. ASIC miners are now at the cheapest they've ever been according to the Bitcoin ASIC price index. This is on the Hashrate Index website. The ASIC price index tracks the price of these ASICs since 2020, and the new low suggests that the demand for these rigs has collapsed. Even the latest and most efficient ASICs are selling for extremely cheap, and I have the all-time listed here going all the way back to 2020, and we can see here that the most efficient miners under the 38 joules per terahash is actually at the lowest level it's ever been. It's at $15.71. I will leave the link in the description for this indicator. This is the Bitcoin ASIC price index indicator. Definitely recommend you guys check this out and just monitor it when you get the chance. Next, I want to talk about Mark Cuban and what he said on Bill Maher's podcast. He basically came out and said that he wants Bitcoin to go down a lot more. He's also implying that he wants to buy it at a lower price. He spent some significant amount of time trashing gold and saying that it's not a hedge against anything, but Bitcoin together with gold is a store of value. He definitely sounds bullish on the future, but it sounds like he wants to buy it at a lower price. And I would definitely recommend you guys watch this video. I'm going to put this in the description as well. Now, they start talking about Bitcoin at about 39 minutes and 30 seconds or so at about this market here. Definitely recommend you go and check out the transcript as well. That way you can see what they said, the whole conversation about Bitcoin as well. Next, I want to talk to you guys about what Forbes was reporting recently. So Forbes said a massive amount of money has been lost. It's a collective $116 billion lost for these crypto founders in 2022. And they have a chart down here as well. So at the top of this list, you have Changpeng Zhao, or CZ, who's lost approximately $61 billion in value since the start of the year. And then you have Sam Bankman-Fried from FTX. The FTX collapse basically wiped out all of his collective net worth, and so he has lost $24 billion. And last on this list is Brian Armstrong from Coinbase. He had a collective wipeout of $4.5 billion. So 2022 has seen a significant wipeout amongst the largest crypto investors and the largest crypto holders in the space. Next story I want to talk about is a very interesting one concerning the future of Bitcoin mining. This is on Motley Fool. And so what Motley Fool is saying here is that the largest electricity provider in Japan, also known as TEPCO, will be using unused energy reserves to power Bitcoin mining rigs. This is something that is particularly important in the space and will be a counter argument to people who say that Bitcoin mining is inefficient and energy intensive and wasteful. So now you have a massive energy company in Japan that's, instead of just wasting the energy, instead they are using it to power their mining rigs. And so that is a huge bullish sign for Bitcoin in the energy space, that excess energy can be used in a productive manner instead of just wasted. All right, so we'll see what this leads to in the future. The fact that Japan did it first here is probably going to encourage some other large electricity providers to do the same thing. And if there's more information on that, I'll be sure to let you guys know. But they're saying for every hash the rig successfully solved on the blockchain will be rewarded with 6.25 Bitcoins, generating a profit of about $100,000 based on the current price of Bitcoin. All right. So the next thing and the final thing I want to talk about is a New York City Bitcoin bar known as PubKey, which is attracting crypto fans and Bitcoin fans. They have a bunch of Bitcoin themed paraphernalia on the wall, this pub key bar here. However, the funniest thing about this is the fact that they don't actually accept Bitcoin as a payment. So to me, this feels like window dressing and kind of a gimmick to attract tourists and crypto friendly people. However, they don't accept Bitcoin as a payment method or crypto as a payment method, which is hilarious in my opinion. All right, so that's all I've got for you guys today. If you like this content, let me know. And let me know what you guys think of what Mark Cuban had to say, or if that ASIC price data surprised you. Leave a comment below, and I will catch you in the next video.